My name is Jessica Banks, and this is my final website for Adams County, Iowa. The original website was extremely hard to navigate, hard to read, and it was lacking in hierarchy. In my design, I focused on these three elements and set out to create navigation that was clear and well-defined. I created hierarchy with not only my text, but my imagery, to make sure that the website was easy to navigate. So this is my home page, and I went with a top screen navigation. You have a large image to catch the attention with a search bar, both in the main image and in the top navigation. I have a list of county events and a scrolling banner that can advertise any sort of event or location that they want to feature that week. On the bottom on my footer, I have some quick links that kind of show you the entirety of the website, and I have some social media icons for Adams County. Up in the I Want To section is where I have my the three websites, the web pages that we were assigned to design. Learn to Drive is where they would go to find the location for Adams County DMV, the hours, the phone number, the email, and a location to schedule their driver's test. Place My Vote is where they would go to locate their precinct for their exact street address. Learn Some History is the photo history of Adams County, starting from early 1900s and it would scroll through to present day. So that's my website. Let me know what you think. Thank you very much.